All right, everybody, it's time for a life and channel update. But first, let me take this gum out of my mouth. Hey, everybody, happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am in my car. And let me just turn down this air a little bit. Y'all know it's hot out here. And make sure y'all drinking y'all water, please. I have gotten my workout in for the day. I did 4 miles today, and I did upper body when I got back in the house, and abs. So, but anyway, why am I in my car? And I am wearing, you can barely tell, but this is McCall 6369 or 6963, which is now a butterick pattern. And I am in my car because I am running some errands. I have to go to Walmart. I think that's the only errand I'm gonna run today, but that's how things have been going. Okay, y'all, let me get into this update. Life and channel update. Yes, y'all. Okay, so for those who have been watching, you know, there's been a lot going on. For those who are new to the channel, let me just say welcome to the channel. I greatly appreciate you clicking on this video. I do encourage you to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and thumbs up this video so you don't miss an upload, because upload schedule is part of the conversation on today. You all know I normally upload, have been for what, few years now. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And so for those who have really been with me for some time, you know I used to only upload on one day a week, and that was Sundays at 10 a.m. for a long time. I only well, I went through a phase, you know, I talked about this, where I was uploading a lot, but then, you know, realistically, seriously, I then switched to Sundays quite a few years ago, where it was just Sunday videos at 10 a.m. and then I added Wednesdays videos at 10 a.m. and so what is getting ready to happen, one of the updates is I am going back to my original upload date of Sunday only. And so this is what it's going to look like. So for those who make sure you pay attention, this is a little bit of a chatty video. You don't necessarily have to watch the video, but I do encourage you to listen. So have me playing in the background if you like, on your TV, stream to your TV while you're sewing, while you're cutting some stuff out, you know, whatever you're doing. Maybe you're at work and you're listening, I don't know, but feel free, sit back, relax, and just listen to this video, because it's all about updates and everything that's going on. And so anyway, I am looking at my notes. So I am going back to just Sunday uploads at 10 a.m. For a while. It'll be a while before I have a Wednesday video again for you. I don't know, could be 2-3 months, I don't know. You shall see. I will keep you updated. For those who follow the community tab, you know, every YouTube channel has that community tab, and so watch out for updates over there. If you follow me over on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you're on the newsletter list. I'll leave a link to NaturalDane.com down in the description box, and links to a couple other things I'm going to mention too. But yeah, and for those who have sent emails or responded, make sure that to the NaturalDane email, hello@NaturalDane.com, make sure you are checking your spam folder and for responses to emails and different things of that nature, because sometimes they get lost. And so always check your spam folder, and in Gmail, check your promotional tab. Sometimes those emails will hit in your promotional tab or in your spam folder. So make sure you are checking those for newsletter updates, anything like that, response to emails. If you have Yahoo or AOL, I don't know where that stuff goes. Maybe there's a spam or a promotional tab in those platforms, I don't know. But So having said all of that, you will get a Sewing Buzz video on the first Sunday of August, which will be next week Sunday. You're seeing this July 31st, so next week Sunday you will get a Sewing Buzz video. There will not be an S&D Sewing Chat, surprise surprise, for a while. I don't know when that'll come back. It will come back, and it will come back this year, but when, I don't know. As you all know, we are in the process of moving, packing, all of that good stuff, and so yeah, the bandwidth, plus not to mention my 9 to 5, because I know I will be taking days off from my 9 to 5 with the move and all of that. I am doing a lot of prep work right now. You all know I just added a new member to my team, and so still going through training and making sure they're up to speed, so when I am out for extended periods of time and sporadically during the day, you know, they have everything covered. So yeah, I am doing that, prepping that as well. So yeah, obviously not a lot of time for videos and different things of that nature, and you all know my feelings about that. I am not going to be putting pressure on myself to try to have videos and all this other different stuff. What will happen is, because if you all have been watching my previous videos, I have caught up on my comments. If you all have noticed, it has taken me longer and longer to catch up on comments, is only because I don't have time. I know I'm not the busiest person in the world. We are all busy, right? But in my world, it is very busy right now. And so I have taken time to catch up on all of my comments. So thank you all for continuing to leave your comments and different things of that nature. So I have caught up on comments. That is one of the things I am looking for while the channel is kind of gonna go on a break, is that I get to catch up on my own YouTube people that I follow, YouTube channels that I have not been able to watch. You all know majority of the channels I'm subscribed to are sewing channels, but there are a few home channels I watch, like when people do clean with me's and all that. Yes, I'm into all of that. Beauty channels, decorating all of that. And so while I'll be packing and doing other things, I get to just stream those videos to my TV or whatever while I'm doing other things. You will have a couple pre-recorded videos. There is another pattern release. You all know those pattern releases I've recently done. You watched them. There was a Rebecca Page pattern re-release. There was the Itch to Stitch new release. There was the Love Notions new release. All of those, something will pop up at the end of this video if you didn't miss those in the iCards. Also, I think the iCards is on this side, but anyway, so make sure that you go check all of those out. There is one more re-release that you will see coming up in a couple weeks that I'll be talking about, and then a pattern review. All of those have, you know, by the time you're seeing this and all of that stuff has been done. So that I might have videos through Sundays through the end of August. I may or may not, but you will get a Sewing Buzz for September and a Sewing Buzz for October. Those videos don't require me to have made something and all this other different stuff. You all know the Sewing Buzz is really me talking about new pattern releases, other things, sewing challenges, stuff like that that's coming up. So make sure, again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I know if this is the first time you're seeing me, you're like, wait a minute, you're gonna be gone for a minute. Yeah, I am. But here's how you can support the channel. Here's how you can support me. If you like me enough to support me, continue to support me, go back and watch my previous videos. I will leave a link down below to videos that I have done of pattern adjustments that I make. I typically make, you know, I make adjustments on the shoulder. I've shown sway back adjustments. I've shown gaping neckline adjustments, all of that. If you're interested in that, you like my style when I describe or teach or show those type things, please go back and watch those videos. Send those videos to someone else. Other ways that you can support is also shopping So Natural Dane. You all know I sell garment labels, fabric, different things of that nature. Shop So Natural Dane. That helps the channel as well, because like I said, there will be a hiatus, and I'm not overly concerned about, you know, the whole algorithm, where, because the algorithm for YouTube, y'all know how it is. If you don't upload on a consistent basis, things start getting all jumbled, and you know, you might not pop up as a recommendation. So I'm just asking that you continue to support. Go back and watch some older videos. If you're looking for adjustment pattern reviews, you know, I have playlists for specific pattern companies, all of that down on my channel. So make sure handbags, all of that, and so handbag patterns, handbag companies, all of the free, well, not all of, but 20 plus free handbag patterns that I recommend, all of that. So make sure that you're going back on my channel. I'll leave as many links as I can down in the description box down below, because there's not enough iCards to leave that stuff in the iCard section. The last thing I want to talk about, I will have a video about some prep work that I've prepped for, you know, transitioning and all of that. So that'll be coming up. That might take me through the end of August now I think about it, for pre-recorded videos. We shall see. So those are different ways to support the channel. And let's see, and of course make sure that you're following on social media. So essentially all of that means is that's the life update. We are in the thick of things over here with moving and packing up. I'm actually need to get more totes and different things of that nature, and transitioning. So yeah, only Sunday videos here on out for a little while. And do not be surprised if you don't see a video on the Sunday. Perfectly normal, nothing's wrong. We are just we are just life changing and getting things done over here in our world, in our busy world that we have going on right now, and so with moving and all of that. So that is it. That is all I have. Make sure for those who are planning or would like to attend the BHM Pattern Designers live event, you will be able to register for that very soon. And for those who are on the list for that, you will get the notification first, because as I have said in the past on several occasions, this will be a capacity limited event, only 100 people. And so I know many of you, because you've been reaching out, waiting for, you know, to get, yes, there's room blocks, all of that has been taken care of. So yes, if you're on the list, you already have seen the location and all of that. I share all of that. If you are on the list and you didn't see that, you need to check your spam folder, your promotional tab, and go and watch that video, because I share with you where the event will be held, all of that good stuff, and the all of the links for booking and everything, registering, will be coming out very, 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 very soon. So make sure, classes, everything, you'll see all of that coming up here soon. So again, make sure that you're follow me on social media. If you're not on the newsletter list for So Natural Dane, I will open up the registration after probably 2 weeks after I've opened it up for everybody who was already on the interest list. So if you want to get on the interest list, you still can. I'll leave the link to that down below, and I'll make sure that you're part of the group of people that, hey, go ahead and register if you're interested, and then it'll open up to the general public after that. So that is it, everybody. Again, the rest of the videos for the month of August are pre-recorded videos, and then I will have a video for the Sewing Buzz for September, that first Sunday in September, and the Sewing Buzz for the first Sunday in October. I may or may not have videos in between those dates. So please keep that in mind. I will always refer someone back who maybe don't catch this video. I'm gonna refer you back to this video so you know why there is sporadic uploads and all of that other good stuff. But I'm quite excited about it. Like I said, I get to finally catch up on some YouTube videos. There's so many videos that popped up in my feed. I'm like, oh, I want to see what people are making, and you know, all that good stuff, and stuff like that. So I am very excited. I praise God for this time, this season in our life, our family, and so yeah, we're quite excited. So that is it, everybody. Yeah, pre-recorded videos coming your way. I will respond to videos as soon as reasonably possible. And yeah, I thank you all for your continued support. You all have a blessed rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your summer and support the channel as much as you can, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. You all have a blessed rest of your week, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.